draw the graph of each of the following equation. Y equal to minus 3. Before we draw the graph, we need to write the solutions. Now here, if you notice, it's y equal to minus 3. There is no mention given of x at all. So we could take x as any value. So we have x and y. We have minus 3, x could be taken 0. Then y is again minus 3, x you could take as 1. Y is again minus 3, x you could take as 2. We'll now plot the first point, 0, minus 3. And that would be on the y-axis. Then we plot the point 1, minus 3. And 1 minus 3 is here. Then we plot the point 2 minus 3, and 2 minus 3 is here. Now let's join. So here we will join this. This would be your line. That is y equal to minus 3. It is a line parallel to x-axis. Now for the next graph, you have 2x minus 5 equal to 0. So 2x equal to 5, x equal to 5 by 2, which is x equal to 2.5. Now again, x and y, we need to take solutions. Remember, x is equal to 2.5. There is no value given for y. So x 2.5, y could be 0, x is again 2.5, y will be 1, x is again 2.5, and y could be minus 1. X remains constant, the y changes. So the points are 2.50, x is 2.51, 2.5 minus 1. Let's plot the first point, that is 0, x 2.5, y is 0, and that would be on the x-axis. That's 2.5, so it's between 2 and 5, so it would be somewhere here. Then next is 2.5 and 1. 2.5 and 1 is here. 2.5 and minus 1 would be here. So this is the line, that is x equal to 2.5, and we see it is parallel to y-axis. X equal to 2.5 is parallel to the y-axis. For the next sum, so we have 4x minus 3y equal to 0. So 4x equal to 3y, x equal to 3 over 4 into y. To find the solution, for the first solution, I'm going to take y equal to 0. So I know x is 3 over 4 by y. So x equal to 3 over 4, y is 0, so x is 0. So the point is 0, 0. Now for the second solution, I will take y equal to, say, 4. So we know x is 3 by 4y. So x is 3 by 4. We took y as 4. It cancels out, x equal to 3. So the point is 3 and 4. Then for the fourth one, we'll take y, say, equal to minus 4. So we have x equal to 3 by 4y. So x equal to 3 over 4. And for y, I'll put minus 4. So this cancels out. So x equal to minus 3. So the point here will be x minus 3, y 4. We now need to plot these points. So we're taking the point x0, y0, then this is x is 3, 4, x minus 3, here y is minus 4. So let's plot the point. The first point 0, 0 would be the origin. Next point is 3 and 4. So 3 and 4, x3, y4, and that would be here at this point. That is 3, 4. Next point is minus 3, minus 4, and minus 3 minus 4 would be here. This point would be minus 3 minus 4. Now we join the points. So here's a line of joining. So this is our graph, and it is 4x minus 3y equal to 0. For this sum, the equation is 1 by 3x minus 2 by 5y equal to 0. I'll take this term on the other side. So I get 1 by 3x equal to 2 by 5y. The minus becomes plus. Now I take 1 by 3 on the other side. So I have x equal to 2 by 5 into 3 by 1y. So x equal to 6 by 5y. This is my equation. And I'm going to find now the solutions out here. So for the first solution, I say y equal to 0. It is x equal to 6 by 5y. So I put y equal to 0, 6 over 5 into 0. So x equal to 0. So first x 0, y is 0. For the second one, I'm going to put y equal to 5. Equation is x equal to 6 over 5y. So x equal to 6 over 5. For y is 5, this cancels, so x equal to 6. So x6, y5 is the next solution. Then for the third, I'm going to put y equal to minus 5. The equation is x equal to 6 by 5y. So x equal to 6 by 5. For y, we've taken minus 5. This cancels out, x equal to minus 6. So minus 6 minus 5. So this is your Cartesian plane. This is your x and y axis. These are your points. So we need to plot them. First we plot 0, 0. And you know that's the origin. So here is 0, 0. The next point is here 6 and 5. x6, y5. And that would be somewhere here. x6, y5 out here. The next is x minus 6, y minus 5. At that point, would be somewhere at this corner. Now let's join the points. So here this is your line. So we put the arrows. Of course, this point was 0, 0. This point was minus 6, minus 5. And this point was 6 and 5. So here is an equation of 1 by 3x minus 2 by y equal to 0. Now for the next one, so we have 3x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. So 2x plus 2y equal to minus 1. And we have 2y equal to minus 1 minus 3x. I'm taking the 3x on the other side. And y equal to minus 1 minus 3x over 2. So this is important now. We need to put the values of x and x here. To find the first solution, I will take, say, x equal to 1. The equation is y equal to minus 1 minus 3x over 2. And for the value of x, I'm going to put 1. So y equal to minus 1 minus 3, 1 over 2. So this is y equal to minus 1 minus 3 over 2 minus 4 over 2. That is minus 2. So the point here is 1 comma minus 2. Let's take up the second point. Now I'm going to put x equal to, say, 3. My equation is y equal to minus 1 minus 3x over 2. So now wherever there is x, I need to put 3. So that would be now minus 1 minus 3. There is x here. So I put 3 over 2. So y equal to minus 1 minus 3 over, not 3, this becomes now 9. 3 3s are 9 over 2. So y is minus 10 over 2, which is minus 5. So x3, y minus 5. So 3 minus 5. In the same way for the third one, you put x equal to minus 3. Substitute in y equal to minus 1 minus 3x over 2. And you'll get a value of y. And y will be equal to 4. That means this point now is minus 3 comma 4. So you get to the 3 points. Now we go ahead and plot. So here's a Cartesian plane. We need to plot x1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 5, and minus 3 and 4. So 1 minus 2. We plot the first point, that is 1 minus 2. This would be somewhere here. This is point 1 minus 2. Then next we plot the point 3 minus 5. And 3 minus 5 is somewhere here. So x3, y minus 5. And minus 3, 4. Minus 3, 4 would be a point here. So this is minus 3, 4. Now we go ahead and join this. Yeah, this is your equation. I mean the line of the equation. And that equation is 3x plus 2y plus 1 equal to 0. Let's get on to the sum. So we have 6x plus 4y plus 2 equal to 0. So that is 4y equal to, I take the 2 and 6x on the other side. So minus 2 minus 6x. So y equal to minus 2 minus 6x over 4. First solution, we'll take x equal to 3. Remember, you can take any number, but make sure that it is not a fraction. Now y equal to minus 2 minus 6x over 4. So for x we will put 3. So we have y equal to minus 2 minus 6. For x I'm putting 3. This is now 4. So y equal to minus 2 minus 18 over 4. That is minus 20 over 4. So y equal to minus 5. So the point here is 3 minus 5. We'll take up another point. Second point. Now here we will take x. Suppose I take x equal to 1. What would have happened? So you know y is minus 2 minus 6x over 4. So y equal to minus 2 minus 6 into 1. This is over 4. So y equal to minus 2 minus 6 over 4. So y equal to minus 8 over 4, which is minus 2. So the point here is 1 minus 2. Then for another point, say the third one, we will take x equal to minus 1. Now y equal to minus 2 minus 6x over 4. So wherever there is x, you put minus 1. And you will get y equal to minus 2 plus 6 over 4. That is 4 over 4, which is 1. So here the point is minus 1 and 1. So we've got 3 points. Now that we have the 3 points, this is point 1. Here is point 2. And this is point 3. We'll go ahead and draw the graph. Here's your Cartesian plane where you mark your x and y axis and you need to mark your scale. These were the points we found out. X was 3, y we got is minus 5, x is 1, y minus 2, x is minus 1, y is plus 1. Let's go ahead and plot these. First we plot 3 minus 5 and that would be 3 minus 5. Here is a point 3 minus 5. Then next we plot the second point, that is 1 minus 2. It's here, 1 minus 2. And then we have the point minus 1 plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 is here. So minus 1 plus 1. I will go ahead and join them. So this is your equation. So here the equation is 6x plus 4y plus 2 equal to 0. We now draw the graph of the equation 2x minus 3y plus 11 equal to 0. So we do 2x equal to, take the 11 on the other side, so minus 11 minus 3y on the other side plus 3y. So x equal to minus 11 plus 3y over 2. Take up the first solution. Here for the first one, we will take, say, y equal to minus 1. Our equation is x equal to minus 11 plus 3y over 2. So we put x equal to 1. So y equal to 1. So 11 plus 3. For y, we put minus 1 over 2. So x equal to minus 11 minus 3 over 2, which is minus 14 over 2 minus 7. So this is our first point, minus 7 minus 1. Now let's take on to the next point. For the second point, we will take y equal to, say, 1. Here is our equation, x equal to minus 11 plus 3y over 2. So x equal to minus 11, 3, and wherever there is y, we will put 1, and this is over 2. So x minus 11 plus 3 over 2, and that would be 8 over 2. So x equal to 4. So x 4, y 1. And then for the third point, here in this case we will take y equal to, here's a mistake, should be minus, so this becomes minus 4. It is minus 4. For the last one, you put y equal to 5 in the equation x equal to minus 11 plus 3y over 2, and you work it out, you get x equal to minus 11, 3 into 5 over 2. So that would be 11 minus 15 over 2, and you will get 4 over 2, and the answer will be 2. So the points here will be 2 and 5. So we go ahead and plot the points. This is a Cartesian plane with your x and y axis. Don't forget to write your scale. So this is the first point, minus 7 and minus 1. So this would be like 7 and minus 1. This would be minus 7, and here is minus 1. So we get on to this point. So it's here. That is minus 7 minus 1. Next point is 2 and 2, 5. x2, y5. And the point x2, y5 would be somewhere here. This is 2 here, and here is 5. The next point, 1 minus 4, and 1 minus 4 and 1. So minus 4 and 1 would be here. Minus 4, x minus 4, and y 1. So we now go ahead and join the lines. So this is the line. You can extend it on either sides, and the line is 2x minus 3y plus 11 equal to 0. Draw the graphs of the equation 3x plus 2 equal to 0 and 2y minus 1 equal to 0. Do these lines intersect? What relationship do you observe between these lines? So let us take up the first one, that is 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So we have 3x equal to minus 2 and x equal to minus 2 over 3. Now we have a fraction here, and we are going to divide minus 2 and 3, and on dividing minus 2 and 3 you get minus 0.666 non-terminating. So that is minus 0.6 bar. Then we take up the next one, that is 2y minus 1 equal to 0, 2y equal to plus 1, so y equal to 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 is 0.5. So we got to plot these. If you take up now x equal to minus 0.6, how would the points be? Here if you see x throughout is minus 0.6, minus 0.6, minus 0.6 bar. There is no value given for y, so y could be taken any number. For the next one, you see the value of y is given, that is 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. There is no mention of x at all, so x we could take as any number. Now this plotting is a little different because we have decimals. So here we have the x-axis, we have the y-axis, and now see how I'm taking the scale. Now these are the points here on the x-axis. And since I need decimals, I'm going to take them as 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. Similarly on the other side. So this is what I take on the negative. We do the similar thing for the y-axis. So this will be 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, because we require decimals here. 4, 0.5, 0.6. Any the negative, minus 0.1, minus 0.2, minus 0.2, or 3. So let's plot the first point, that is x0, y 0.5, and this would be a point on the y-axis. Next is 1 and 0.5. So in fact I'm going to change the x also into decimals. So I'll put 0.1, 0.2 here. Here also I'll put 0.1, 0.2. So next one is 0.1 and 0.5, so that point would be here. Then 0.2 and 0.5, the point would be here. It's a straight line parallel to the x-axis. So we join this up. This is our graph. Y equal to 0.5. And observe it is parallel to the x-axis. To x-axis. Next we'll plot the green graph, and that is first point would be here, that is minus 0.6 and 0. Then you'll have will be the next point here, and the third point would be here. So you join. So here, fine. And if you proceed this, you see that the lines intersect. So these lines intersect. And where do they intersect? They intersect at this point. And how will you name this point? X minus 0.6, y is 0.5. This is a point of intersection. Here we have, this is our x, and this was our y. So we observe here any point that is parallel to the x-axis like this, you'll always have y equal to a constant, like y equal to a. And any point, any line that is parallel to the y-axis, you will have x equal to a constant, that is x equal to, say, b. Now the point of intersection of both these points here would be, see the value of x, that is b, and a, y. This is where they would intersect. Draw the graph of the line x minus 2y equal to 3, and from the graph find the coordinates of the points. So we start first, x minus 2y equal to 3. So x equal to 3 plus 2y. First we'll take, say, y equal to 0, so x equal to 3 plus 2y. Where there is y we put 0, so x equal to 3 plus 2 into 0, so x equal to 3. So first point 3 comma 0. Then for the second point, say we'll take y equal to 1, so x equal to 3 plus 2y, so x equal to 3 plus 2y is 1, so x equal to 5. So second point 5 comma 1. Then for the third, y equal to minus 1, so x equal to 3 plus 2y, 3 plus 2, y is minus 1, so we have 3 minus 2, so x equal to 1, so 1 minus 1. So these are your 3 points. So here's our graph, a Cartesian plane. Let's draw the graph. The first point is 3, 0. So x is 3, y is 0, so it must be lying on the x-axis, so it's here. 3, 0. The next is 5, 1. So x5, y1, it's out here. 5 and 1. Then 1 minus 1, and it would be here. Now let's join the lines. So we have, so I'll just draw it again. So here are the points, we just extend them on either sides. And we now have to find out for x equal to minus 5, what will be the y value. So x is minus 5 here, so we have to go right down and see where it cuts the line. So I've drawn this point again. Now we have to know x equal to minus 5. So I've marked here x equal to minus 5 is here. We've got to see where it cuts the, what is this, y coordinate. So we go, so the y comes as minus 4. So when x equal to minus 5, y equal to minus 4. We can also do it by using the equation. We know x minus 2y equal to 3. Now we know x was minus 5. So where there is x, we put minus 5. Minus 2y equal to 3. Minus 2y equal to 3 plus 5. Minus 2y equal to 8. And y equal to minus 4. We get the same answer if we substitute or graphically. For the next, we got to find for y equal to 0, we need to find what is the value of x. So for y equal to 0 would be at this point here. Y equal to 0 is x-axis, and you see the x is this point. So this point is 3, 0. So if y equal to 0, your x would be 3. And if you substitute in your equation 2, you get the same answer. Let's do that. So we have x minus 2y equal to 3, x equal, remember y we've taken 0, this is minus, so x equal to 3.